On this particular video tip, we're talking about the 8-inch cleaver. It's actually probably the most misunderstood knife. It is head heavy. The reason for it is if you're using to take your chickens apart, you've got loads of weight and momentum to come down on the chicken. But you can turn it into an everyday chopper, and it's simply by adjusting the way you hold it. 2 fingers out the back, the rest go further down the blade, and what you're actually doing is you're balancing out the knife by the way you hold it. All of a sudden it changes the dynamic. It's a fantastic chopping knife. It's great for crushing, it's great for scooping, it's great for everyday slicing and dicing. Not to mention, it's an incredibly safe knife to use because you've got to come up much higher before you run the risk of coming down your fingers. If you want to try before you buy, visit the events list on our website, check out one of the hundreds of events we do throughout the UK, come and see us, or you can order direct from our website and we'll get one out to you.